Akiuga muthenya ukuihuirwo na nduhio na gikeno thukuru-ini itiganite cia secondary thutha wa kurekererio kwa maumirira ma kigeranio gya KCSE kia mwaka muhituku. Thukuru-ini wa anake wa Barisho county-ini ya Kirinyaga niguo tongoretie county-ini ino ukigwatira Minsco ya 9.7. Murutani munene Bernard Mwangi akiuga uhotani uyu umanite na wirutiri o udumwe na unyitaniri wa arutani hamwe na aciari aria makoretwo manyitiriire arutwo aya.
Candidates era mena A plane they are 25, A minus they 86, B plus 109, B 102, B minus 60. Mwena wa gicua-ini thukuru-ini wa secondary wa Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed arutwo kenda nio mauma na grade ya A ari hamwe na Abdalla Isa Timami na uria ni murio wa governor wa county ya Lamu Fatma Said Faraj na Husna Hassan Faraj ni amwe ya arutwo aria megwateire grade ya A thukuru-ini uyu, na kwa thukuru-ini wa Lights Academy Nuru Said Abubakar na Mohamed Ahmed Almawi mauma na grade ya A.
Expected but yeah, alhamdulillah.
Nilitarajia manake pia KCPE niliweza kupita, nilipata alama za 412.
The first time results are student oriented. The fact that the grading system actually changed to help.
2 A's, they are behind me, Mohamed Ahmed and Nuru. We had 20 A minuses, 33 B plus.
Thukuru-ini wa airetu wa Shainas county-ini ya Naikuru ni wandikithitie maumirira mega kuria murutwo wa mbere Briana Ngugi egwateire grade ya B plus.
We are proud to say that we have 46 students who have qualified to join the university. Expect that this is not the climax. We will go beyond this in the coming years. KCSE exams.
Philip Muthani murutwo thukuru-ini wa Murang'a High ari muciini kwao county-ini ya Nyeri ndarahitha gikeno giake thutha wa kwigwatira grade ya A kuria augite kiroto giake ni gugatuika ndagitari.
Nilikuwa natarajia kupita lakini bado nilikuwa na wasiwasi manake mtihani ujui vile inaweza fanyika.
We are really very proud of his performance because while we saw it coming, he has been very consistent.
Thukuru-ini wa secondary wa Sunshine goko county-ini ya Nairobi makiria ma arutwo 20 nio megwateire grade ya A, murutwo Prince Samba agitongoria na point 84.
We are very excited because of the results that have just been released. And we are very happy because we had one of the best disciplined lot of the students we've ever had.
Mwena wa Arwai thukuru-ini wa airetu wa Vine Spring ndunatigwo na thutha gukunguira maumirira mega thutha wa makiria ma arutwo 98 kwigwatira grade cia kumahotithia kuingira university. Murugamiriri munene wa thukuru uyu John Mwangi Kimani nioritie thirikari itigirire arutwo othe ni megwatira ngombo cia HELB niguo mahote guthie na mbere na mathomo mao.
Ciana citu ciitukite na njira nene muno na nitukenete. Wa mbere akigea na A minus gukorwo tukinyitie at least a mini score ya 8.4 ni kirathimo kinene na nitukenete.
Thukuru-ini wa secondary wa anake wa Kapsabet county-ini ya Nandi ni umwe wa mathukuru maria matongoretie na maumirira mega kuria makiria ma arutwo 30 megwateire grade ya A.
Wanafunzi zaidi ya 19 wamepata alama ya A na wengine zaidi ya 50 hivi wamepata alama ya A minor.